So I'm going to let you inside, and then so over here, this is the corridor. It has 3 corridors. So this is the first one, there's a second one, and then there's a third one over there. So like you can see, the entrance, like we have done the electrical part. Like you can see, we have installed the first. We have installed this lantern. We have installed the down lights. We have installed the snake light and everything. And then, as you can see, we just went with this gold switching point over there. Like you can see, it controls the entire security outside, and then this one is for only our inside. And then on this part, we have a sitting room together with its dining room. As you can see, we have already installed here a door, like you can see, to have some secrecy whenever you are operating this. So I will welcome you. This is a dining together with a sitting room. As you can see, is a dining or is a sitting room opening towards a dining at the end here. So let me start with the dining part, the sitting part. Like you can see, we have done everything. We have installed the fan. Like you can see, they are there, they are working. As you can see, this is the first one, and the second one is just over there. And then we have installed here a chandelier. As you can see, it's a modern hanging chandelier that you can see over there. As you can see, it even changes their color. Like you can see over there, there's snake lights, there's down lights, and then the down lights, they are even changing. So if you see down lights, they were at white, now they are on yellow, or you can call it warm or warm white. So like you can see over there. And then you have 2 board brackets. As you can see, this is the first one, and the second one is just at the end over there. And then here we have this is a modern TV stand. Like you can see, it is a modern TV stand. As you can see, we have already installed it. Everything is completed. Like you can see, you can power it on, off over there. We have provided a provision for sockets. Like you can see, if you come and install your TV here, you have your provision for the socket, and then the internet provision over the internet outlet. Like you can see over there. As you can see, this is the marble sheet. As you can see, it's so big. Like the theme of this color is like, let's say it's goldish or yellowish. Like you can see on this board, even the lights, even the sockets, they are matching each other. This is the marble, this is the panel, like you can see. And then, as you can see, this is our drawers that you will, maybe the owner may choose to have some, maybe put some bottles or some glass over there to maybe for storage. And then here you can come and arrange your flowers over there. So I'm going to let you towards the dining room. So sitting opens towards our dining room. So as you can see, this is the dining room. There's a beautiful arc, like you can see, we have made over there. So this arc it's made of with gypsum only. It's not made up of maybe concrete. It's just only a gypsum one only. So if you need such services, you can call us. We can do for you everything that you see on this entire project. You can call for you. You can call us, and then you can have a talk, and then we can do it for you. This is the sitting room, the dining room. As you can see, there is a fan, so ready operating. There's a chandelier over there. As you can see, it's so beautiful. It's, let's say, it's just well designed and well decorated to be fitted in this dining room. And then even there are 2 wall brackets. So there's a first one over there, and the second one is just over. There's a second one over there, over here. And then, as you can see, we have not done. This is the provision for the. Let's say this is provision for the. How do you call it? For the hand basin that will become and then install it over there. As I told you earlier, we have not yet completed our side. So this is an open. This is the serving window that communicates from kitchen opening to the dining, so as to have communication whoever will be on dining can access someone who is in the kitchen. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, guys, make sure you have subscribed like share. And then on this other, on the, like you can see, this is another hanging rose, like you can see over there. It's like, even you can see it's also a goldish. And then on this other side, we have another, we can call it, we have another corridor opening toward the bedroom. The bedrooms, there are 2 bedrooms and the master bedroom. As you can see, this is another bedroom, and then this is our kitchen. It's like direct entry from the main door as you enter towards the kitchen. So this is our door. As you can see, it's made of solid solid doors. And then over here, like you can see, this is our pantry. This is our kitchen pantry, and even there's a full moon that we have installed it over there. And then at the other end, this is the kitchen. As you can see, we are still, the construction is still going. As you can see, we are now doing the kitchen setup. As you can see, this is the place that our fridge will come and then will be fitted. So this was exact measurement for the fridge. As you can see, it will be from here up to there. And then this is the high level. We ensure that our client has a total storage capacity to the fullest. As you can see, we have our, let's say this is the high level. As you can see, we have already fitted. And then there is another one at the end over here. So as you can see, and then this is the opening towards the serving window that is opening towards the dining. And then at the top over here, we have done a marble. As you can see, we have installed a marble, even though it's not yet clean. But at the end of the project, we'll come and show you how amazing we'll be after we have cleaned it. And then here, this is the lower level. As you can see, our client has a storage capacity. As you can see, this is the place to store his own utensils or kitchen stuffs over there. As you can see, it runs from here, it's an L shape, going up to the other end. As you can see, even here, we have done our drawers over here. And then there's our kitchen, the cooker will be placed over here. So I'm going, and then this is the exit door for this side. But I will show you maybe at the end of the video. And then this is our first bedroom. Like you can see, this is our first bedroom. As you can see, we have done everything. As you can see, the lighting system, it's already working. We have installed a full moon downlights, fan. There are some sockets. I think there's a socket that is missing over there, but they will come and then install it. And then there's a wardrobe at the end over here. As you can see, we have already done it. It's already done it. We have a mirror over there, and then this is for the storage capacity for the client. So this is the first bedroom, and then let me show you the second bedroom. So this is the second corridor. As you can see, we have we have this beautiful foglet that is over there. As you can see, I will show you on the next video. It changes its color. So here we have a public toilet. This is the common toilet. As you can see, we have already fitted everything. I think this one is the only thing that is remaining. The electrical, the shower is only yet remaining. As you can see, this is the toilet. Everything, as you can see, it's already operating. This is our Arabic shower, and then I can see this is our hanger. Everything, I think everything. The work is almost ending. We can give it like 90. We can give it like, let's say it's like almost 90% of our work. It's almost ending. So I'm going to let you towards the second. This is the second bedroom. As you can see, everything is working. Everything is normal. The ceiling design. There is a full moon over there. There is a snake leg. There is a fan. We have already operating. There is a beautiful There's a beautiful wardrobe that you can see. It's over here. As you can see, they have already fitted it. Everything is already operating. So I will let you towards the second. Is it the third? I will let you towards the third bedroom and then the master bedroom. So this is our third bedroom. As you can see, it's of same design, same shape, same measurement as compared to the other one. The ceiling design, as you can see, the gypsum. So we have installed there full moon at the center, and then there's some downlights at the end. There's a fan over there, and then there's here we have wardrobes that are over here. As you can see, I think everything is fitted according to the requirements, and then for the, let's say accordingly how the client suggested is on at the end of project to be look like. And then as you can see, this is the corridor, so for maximum security purposes. So this is the master bedroom. So I will let you inside, and then so as you can see, this is our master bedroom. I think everything, the lights are operating, everything like you can see on our video, even our fans. Everything, as you can see on the video, it's they are operating very, very nice. And then I think I can show you this is our wardrobe, guys. As you can see, we have installed there is a lighting, those lights purposely for lighting, this to provide light towards this how do you call this wardrobe. So as you can see, even if it's maybe at midnight, when you open your wardrobe, the wardrobe, guys, it has its own lights. There's no need to lighten your, let's say, your phone or something so as to come and pick to operate this wardrobe. And then we have put a centerpiece as you can see. This is our centerpiece. This downlights, this microwave, and then the master is installed. And then over here, let's say we can call it let's say study worktop. You can come and chill over here. You can let's say this for only ladies. You can operate well here. You can put all your oils and everything, perfumes over here. And then at the end here, this is our master toilet. As I've told you earlier, the master is installed. So this is the master. As you can see, their tiles, they are so white in color, and then they are so very good looking. This is as you can see, this is the Arabic shower, and then this is the toilet. As you can see, guys, this is the toilet. The water is not yet supplied, and I think at the end of the day, after it will be supplied, whenever it will be doing testing or finishing, I will come and show you the video. So here we have a shower, but I will show you at the end of our video. So guys, if you have watched up to there, I would like you to tell you that make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, share, comment. For more information, you can call us through 0746289667. 0746289667. We are readily available at any given time. So let's meet on the next video while we have done the entire interior. So let's meet on the next video, God willing. Bye bye.
Dear God, it's me again. I have come to you with a heart of worship.
Baba, mimi nimekufanyia nini ndo nipende namna hii? Nimekufanyia nini ndo nipende namna hii? Baba, mimi nimekufanyia nini ndo nipende namna hii? Oh, nimekufanyia nini ndo nipende namna hii? Nimekuja na wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba, wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba, wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba, wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba. Bila wewe ningeteseka dadi, umenitoa mbali. Kama sio wewe yawe, mimi ningekuwa wapi?
Napiga magoti mbele zako Baba yangu, nainua mikono kwa ishara ya kusujudu.
Yale Baba umenifanyia, wacha nikuite shamba. Nimekuja nikupende leo Jehova Shama. Wewe ni Mungu wa mapendeleo, nishakujua. Unapenda vile nataka dadi,
nimekuja na wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba, wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba,
nimekuletea
wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba. Nimekuja na wimbo na moyo wako kuabudu Baba.
nilikuwa nimepotea, wokovu kanipa. Nilikuwa sipendezi, neema kanipa. Ukaniokota toka jalalani mimi.
Nilikuwa nimepotea, wokovu kanipa. Nilikuwa sipendezi, neema kanipa. Ukaniokota toka jalalani.
Asante kwa wokovu, asante kwa msamaha, umeondoa maovu, moyoni nina raha. Asante kwa wokovu, asante kwa msamaha, umeondoa maovu, moyoni nina raha.